Alright, good morning everyone. So some interesting news today. We woke up and we're coming out to feed our calves and we heard some noise rustling in a shed over here. And let me show you. Oh, I never know how to flip this camera when I'm into video mode. I'm not sure if there's a way. I'll just point at it, maybe that shed over there. We heard some noise rustling and to our surprise, we got two new dogs. Some people dropped off in the middle of the night. We're not sure what we're gonna do with them, but let me see where they at. They're a little far away. Oh, there they are. Charlene, you want to try to give them a call? Oh, here they come. Come on. Come on. Come on. They ain't coming. They're too busy having fun. What'd you say? You. I said, what'd you say? Oh. No, I'm talking to a video. Yeah.